Hi, my name is Brian. I'm the owner of American Tactical and one of the instructors here. 20 years in federal law enforcement. We're going to be training a California school district here and training their school bus drivers. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to give a quick brief and we're going to move them into hands-on training. That's our belief in the most effective training, as well as a reality-based scenario at the end. We'll train them with medical, we'll train them on defensive tactics, and we'll train them on how to respond during driving a bus if an active shooter presented itself on there or stopped and an active shooter tried to come onto a bus. So we use the Maglite in these scenarios. We show them that it is one of many tools that can be used. The primary could be the strobing of flashlights that can incapacitate a person's thoughts and their actions to create a moment of hesitation, introducing pain into that subject to get that weapon away and out of his hands.